Water is the source of human civilization. China always takes water management as the important cornerstone of state governance. The spirit of craftsmen inherited from generation to generation and Chinese wisdom make the world stunning. In the new era, the impact of global climate change intensifies, and water security has become a major problem that restricts the sustainable development of China's economy and society. Therefore, it is urgent to seek theoretical breakthrough in scientific and technological innovation in water science. Approved by the Ministry of Science and Technology of China in 2005, Hohai University and Nanjing Hydraulic Research Institute jointly established the State Key Laboratory of Hydrology, Water Resources, and Hydraulic Engineering. Hohai University's predecessor is Hohai Civil Engineering School, founded in 1915, which is the source of water resources higher education and the cradle of talent training for water resources higher education. Nanjing Hydraulic Research Institute, established in 1935 with the original name of Central Hydraulic Research Institute, is the earliest comprehensive water resources research institute in China, which pioneered the modern water resources scientific research. The Hydro Lab mainly focuses on 5 research themes: water resources evolution mechanisms and efficient utilization, watershed hydrological disasters defense and migration, river water and sediment dynamics and aquatic ecology protection, integrated management, and protection of estuarine and coastal regions. In hydraulic engineering and disaster control, the lab served as the leader in industrial basic tasks, including the survey and research of China's historical heavy floods, the first National Water Resources Survey, and river and lake basic conditions survey, and solved key issues in national grant projects, including the regulation of the deep water channel of the Yangtze River and the improvement of water-saving schemes in large irrigation areas. In 2013, the Hydro Lab was ranked first in the evaluation of water resource-related group by the Ministry of Science and Technology and awarded the Excellent State Key Laboratory. In respect of serving national strategies and needs, the Hydro Lab has undertaken 512 projects in recent 5 years, including 973 program, and key and major programs of National Natural Science Foundation of China, totaling 511 million yuan, among which 11 projects of the National Key Research and Development Program are in process. These projects provide an important foundation for supporting the continuous development of the lab. In the most stringent water resources management key technologies and their applications, the lab has developed the analysis framework for the most stringent water resources management system that accords with the national condition and water situation, and comply 25 standards, which have provided important technical support for the development of the water-saving society. In the theory and method of hydrologic multi-component monitoring, forecasting and prediction under the changing environment, the lab has achieved accurate hydrologic forecasting and prediction. The constructed flood forecasting platform has been used by 7 major river basin agencies to prevent floods and drought. The distributed coupled hydrological model system has been collected in the International Representative Model Set, which has been adopted extensively by universities and research institutes in 11 countries, including US and Germany. In areas of coupling mechanisms and management of plain river network hydrodynamics, environment and ecology, research results have been applied to the plan, design and operation of over 30 Grand Plain River projects, including the Yangtze River, Huai River and Zhu River, having achieved significant economic benefits. In the innovative research area of the estuary and coast, results have been applied to engineering construction, including the Yangtze Golden Channel, South China Sea reefs, and the Belt and Road. Having solved the issue of daily prediction, an abnormal deposition, a foundation trench at the centimeter level that affects the construction of immersed tubes of the tunnel, which ensure the accurate connection of immersed tubes of Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge Tunnel. The research team was awarded the Collective Special Class Merit. In the area of reservoir and dam safety assurance theories and technologies, research results have been successfully applied to dozens of large dams, having improved the dam safety management level in China and significantly reduced the dam failure rate from 0.023% in 2000 to under 0.004% currently. The dam failure risk is greatly decreased. In addition, the Hydro Lab has undertaken 172 grand water-saving and water supply projects and conducted the research on key technologies of various national major projects, including national water security, the economic belt of the Yangtze River, projects along the Belt and Road, and maritime power strategy, which have strongly supported the development of economy and society. The Hydro Lab has won 34 prizes of the provincial and ministerial level first class and national awards, including 3 first-class prizes and 4 second-class prizes of the National Science and Technology Progress Award, 1 second prize of the National Award for Technological Innovation, and 6 provincial and ministerial level special prizes. The lab has compiled the National Estuarine and Coastal Intertidal Zone Development Management and the Planning and Water Saving Society Development Planning, and 44 national and industrial standards and codes. Moreover, the lab has published 1,124 SCI papers, 33 books, 198 patents, and 57 software copyrights. The Hydro Lab currently has 86 researchers, including 63 young and middle-aged scientists. In the last 5 years, the lab has obtained 3 academicians, 3 winners of the National Science Fund for Outstanding Young Scholars, and 3 Yangtze Scholars Program professors. 48 researchers and 13 research teams have been selected in national and provincial talent programs. On international side, Professor Zhang Jianyun was elected to be the International Fellow of the Royal Academy of Engineering. Professor Yu Zhongbo won the John Ham Award for Excellence in Science and Engineering of the U.S. National Groundwater Association. Professor Chen Chu Wen was awarded the 37th Eyre Arthur Thomas Ipin Award. 22 faculty of the Hydro Lab are appointed by various international organizations such as the International Association of Hydrological Sciences and the United Nations Industrial Development Organization. 38 faculty are appointed as the editor and associate editors of international journals. The Hydro Lab has established a joint international research laboratory of global change and water cycle with internationally recognized universities and research institutes, including University of California, Los Angeles, and University of Waterloo, through which 2 foreign academicians, Barry and Sadiki, have joined in the lab. In 2017, the lab initiated the Belt and Road Water and Sustainable Development Research Fund, which would be used to explore the water security issues in countries and regions along the routes. 4 researchers supported by the Lab Open Fund have been selected in the National 1000 Youth Talents Plan and Excellent Youth Scholars Plan. The lab holds activities regularly for public science popularization and won the title of the Advanced Collective of the National Science Popularization Work. The lab has hosted successfully 2 international top-level forums on water safety and sustainable development in 2015 and 2017, and was set as the permanent series of forums by Chinese Academy of Engineering. The lab continuously increases investment to research infrastructure and now is equipped with a variety of advanced equipment platforms, including the Tianxingqiao Water Experimental Center, National Hydrological Experimental Station, Experimental Base of the State Flood Control Office, Chuzhou Basin Hydroecological Experimental Station, Jing'anjiang Hydrological Experimental Site, Wudaogo Hydrological Experimental Station, Kunshan Irrigation and Drainage Experimental Station, and Chengdu Hydro-Ecological Environmental Experimental Site in Tibet. The lab is now equipped with 79 large instruments or facilities, among which 23 cost over 1 million Chinese yuan. The total fixed assets reach 122 million Chinese yuan. Through more than 10 years of construction and development, the State Key Laboratory of Hydrology, Water Resources, and Hydraulic Engineering has become an international top-class research base for conducting innovative research in water science, solving challenging engineering key technology issues, gathering and cultivating leading researchers and innovation teams, ensuring national water security, and leading the research on global water issues. Remember why we started and move forward bravely around the policy of water management in the new era. The Hydro Lab will continuously improve the entire discipline level, sci-tech innovation ability, and international influence and competitiveness to make new greater contribution for ensuring national water security.